Hey there, I am just enjoying the sunset. Woo! And drinking out of my Savannah glass. You can't tell, but it says Savannah. It's just backwards. And I just wanted to take a minute to show off my garden that I created on my sailboat. So here we go. So these are my little plants that I've put inside of cans and tea boxes. It's actually great, and that's a bean, and these are all seedlings, but I cut up the water bottle and I use the top for one seed and the bottom for other seeds, and all my seeds are sprouting and growing, and it's great. And these are all my plants, and that one is in a mushroom container, and there we go. Now let's moving on up to my milk jugs. Actually, these are water jugs. They got different various plants in there, seedlings that are growing and taking off. And let's take a look at this one. There we go. That's a big one. Take a look at that sunset. And there's the other one. And these are all, you just cut it off the top and you can plant seeds in them, and then you hang it, and there's the carabiner, and it's hanging up by the solar panel. It's great. There's a little tiny baby one in there. See it? And that one. And there we go. That is the tour of my deck garden with all of my jugs and cans and pots, and I'm collecting, not pots, sorry, collecting more and planting more seeds. And that is one way to start a garden if you don't have money and you don't have needs, or you don't want to, or if you just want to save the earth and just reuse and recycle. Go out there and do it. Collect some cans. They don't drain well, but you just water them less, and it works. Bye, have a good day.